This thing is extremely brutal. I can't get enough of it. Oh, we just woke up the beast. Bam, 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 bam. Oh. Oh. Holy. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this and this beautiful view. I am right now here in Spain, in Palma de Mallorca with Brabus, and today I will be presenting you the G900 Superblack edition, guys. And as if it was nothing, this car right there is the daily driver, the new daily driver of Brabus CEO Konstantin Buschmann, guys. And in today's video, I will be showing you all the details about this car from the exterior by doing a walk around. Afterwards, also the interior. It's full of details and you will love it. And last but not least, we will be finishing it all off with a sound check because the sound is extremely good. It's a 10 out of 10 and you will agree with me on that. So stick with me. Let's get it on and start with this beauty right here, okay? So I've had a talk with Brabus CEO Konstantin Buschmann and he told me I really love the Brabus XLP Superblack, but unfortunately as a daily driver it isn't good, guys. Imagine finding a parking space for that huge, humongous vehicle in the city center or else. Therefore, he came up with the idea of having the exact same thing for normal G63. So what Brabus did is they took a G63, did a full conversion. We have the wide body kit on it, not the Rocket edition, keep that in mind, and the 900 engine, which we also had in all the Rockets and Rocket editions. The 4.5 liter V8 AMG engine. They extended the displacement from a 4 liter to a 4.5 liter, pushing it up to 900 horsepower. So guys, less talk, let's just get right into it and start with the walk around of this car. Yeah, given by its name, it's called the Superblack. I mean, what did you expect when you hear that name? It's literally every single part on this is black, super black. Starting with the front, looking at it right here, guys, it's comparable to a look of a normal G Brabus conversion, but let me show you more of the details. First of all, we have the bonnet extension, full finished in carbon fiber in gloss. You can also have the option to go for a matte finish. We have the Brabus Double B here, and as you have a closer look, this even is finished in black, which is also cool. The exterior paint itself is obsidian black, I think. We have the G-Class specific front headlights and the grille. As you see here, the so-called Panamericana grille was fully painted in black gloss. Plus, as you have a look here, we have two white stripes. You will see a lot of black, but in addition to that, you will also see some white detail, which they have added to create a very nice contrast in addition with all the black and the carbon fiber as well. We have a carbon fiber grille frame here, Brabus Double B, also the Brabus right here, and then the camera. The front bumper itself, as you see here, is full finished in black. We have the additional lights also down here and the White Star kit, as you see, everything is finished in black. The front also here with the Brabus, the Mr. Benz number plate. All in all, guys, just look at the front. This thing is extremely brutal. I am telling you. Also looking at the side, you can instantly see everything is finished in black. But there are a few details I need to mention. First of all, we have the biggest wheel option that you can get for a Brabus G. 24 inches, the monoblock Z wheels, which are also finished in black. Full black finish, even the emblems, everything. The brake calipers finished in black with the nice white details, as I mentioned. The side, as I just said, this is finished in carbon fiber, as well as the door handles. Before we talk about the interior, let me just give you a proper sound check of this, the legendary G-Class door opening sound. And as soon as you also open the door, you have a running board light. In addition to that, as we have a Superblack edition, we have the illuminated exhaust on this, which we have seen back then with the G900 Rocket edition first. The sound of the exhaust is amazing and I love it. Also something cool here is roof lights here, also finished in carbon fiber, which look very cool, especially in the night. Let me now give you a look on the rear, guys, and here we have the G900 BRABUS Superblack rear. How do you guys like it? As I just see, I mean, we don't have the rear wing, which you normally have, and we also have the rear spare tire cover finished in carbon fiber. As we have a closer look, you can see that here. Full carbon fiber finish, also with the Brabus emblem. I love it. Even the door handles here is finished in carbon fiber. 900 badge with the white surroundings, and this, if you have a closer look, is finished in carbon fiber. This is so cool. So guys, the doors are open for you to enter the interior, but before we do that, here we have the key. It's the stock AMG key, but in the back with the Brabus high performance automobiles badge as well. Let's just focus on the interior, guys, and this thing is also super black as the exterior. What a surprise. This car is full of details, guys. Here you can see what Brabus is capable of. I just love the car from Brabus CEO all the time, because in his car they always try to do new things, and you see some new crazy things on his car all the time, because you want to have like special interiors or special things inside, and that's what we have here. First of all, the entire interior trim is finished in black leather, as you can obviously see, but this is not normal leather. You feel it and touch it. This feels like real leather, not like the Artico fake leather you have in the Mercedes cars. This is genuine real leather. It feels and smells like leather. Second of all, the perforations, the stitching on this car I've never seen on any other car before. Let me give you a closer look, okay? First of all, you have this part right over here. Nice perforations, nice design here, also with the Brabus badge finished in shadow chrome. Inside here, shadow chrome, carbon fiber part. These buttons, every single one, shadow chrome. Even these ones, normally they are plastic, repainted and redone, shadow chrome. Something I love here is the inside here is finished in leather. This is very complicated to do and nice, but also here, additional detail. Full leather works, Brabus emblem, and this design. It's a 7 and another 7. This stands for the year they founded Brabus. It was 1977, and this is just a very cool feature to see, and you will see that on a lot of cars. And even here on the sides, normally in Mercedes stock cars you have this finished in plastic. What did Brabus do? Full leather works on this. Even look, the smallest details, they just work on it with so much love and attention to the details. Even the floor mat, something I hated back in the days was that the entire floor mat was finished in leatherworks, okay? Because like with your dirty shoes, it's not good for a daily driver. Now for the first time ever, I see this on Brabus CEO's car. They have it finished in like normal floor mat material, but on the side here where you don't step on with your dirty shoes, for example, they have the badge, the Brabus Masterpiece badge with the signature of the CEO, Konstantin Buschmann, and nice leather works. Also down here, you see that? This is crazy. This gas brake pedal, shadow chrome. The side here, details. Here, details. No one will even see this, imagine. Still, it's full of details. This is just crazy. Down here, everything finished in leather, but I can just talk about this like the entire day, but let's just step inside and talk more about it. Oh, I just love the sound of the doors. Let me just do it again for you guys. Oh, I just need to do it again. I can't get enough of it, I'm sorry. So as we are inside, guys, I will just keep it short. I can't keep it short, but that's a problem. I will keep it short. When we drive it, I will give you a more detailed look of this interior. Yeah, guys, there's a lot to talk about, but I will talk about this when doing the drive. Now it's time to do a sound check for you. I will switch the car into Sport Plus and lower the windows. There we go. And now I'll be starting it up for you. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep in mind, we have the Brabus exhaust and the side pipes, okay? Time for the sound check, listen. Oh, this sound is just so nice. Having the side pipes here, having the extra Brabus sound, more cracks and pops. I just love and enjoy it a lot. How do you guys like the sound? Leave it in the comment section below. But now it's time to step outside and listen to the sound from the outside, guys, because it's way louder, I promise. So guys, now it's time for a sound check from the outside. Please keep in mind we have the additional Brabus exhaust mounted on this. Now it's time for a proper sound. Okay, listen up to this. Also from the right side as well. The sound, as I mentioned, guys, is just heaven on earth, but when driving it, it sounds so much better. I already had a nice pre-driving and I was laughing so hard. So guys, it's now time to start the drive inside the G900 Superblack. Let's go. And today we will be driving it as you all wanted it, because the sound of this, as we have the Brabus additional exhaust and 900 horsepower in this G900 Superblack edition, the sound is good, trust me. Okay, first of all, seatbelts on, which are obviously black. We will be starting the ignition first. Nice animations here. Let's switch it all up to Sport Plus instantly. And now it's time to start the engine. First of all, listen to that. I will be lowering the window for you, and the right one, as well as we have the exhaust tips on both sides. Ooh, like a lion, we just woke up the beast, and it's time to give us a nice ride in Mallorca right here. Guys, I'm honest with you, I'm not really good with the streets and the situation right here, therefore I will be just trying to give you a nice drive, but not really drive it fast, you know. Ooh, as we are in Sport Plus right now, guys, the exhaust is on and the sound is already in low RPM, very loud. You hear that? Even a downshift, it sounds like a lion roar. Okay guys, I had to drive a bit out, but now finally I think we have nice streets to give you a great sound. Listen. Oh! Oh! Holy! This is just in first gear. Oh! The sound is brutal. Downshift! Oh! You actually forget that this car is a 900 horsepower beast. It's roaring. That's a lion. This is the definition of a lion. Do you remember the GLE 900 Rocket Edition? That was an AK-47, but this one is the lion. Oh! Bam, 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 bam. And also in low RPM. This drives so cool. Listen. You hear that? Oh, holy. Ah, Konstantin Buschmann. I think the drive from his home to his work with this car will be the most fun part in the entire day. It is so exciting. I'm honest with you. I wish we had the German Autobahn here. I wish. Oh. Downshift! Bam, 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 bam! Oh, nice GT! is too much for me. I can't handle it. So much emotions. This is what I miss on the latest cars, on all the automotives, on all Mercedes cars. The sound. Oh. Ah, this is one of the coolest rides I've ever had. Oh, I just love to play with the sound, you know. Downshift. Ba-bam! This is just so cool. Oh, guys, describe this sound with one word. Oh, this is just cool. I can't get enough of it. I'm honest, I can't get enough of it. Imagine being Konstantin Buschmann driving to his workplace. This is what I would do the entire day. Or after finishing work. Okay guys, that's it. That's it. That's it. If you want me to drive this car on the German Autobahn, full throttle drive with Konstantin Buschmann, just leave it in the comment section below. I think this will be one of the most fun videos. I'm out, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Which car should I drive next? Special thanks to Brabus for making this possible, to flying me out to Mallorca to drive the car of the CEO of Brabus. This is just a dream coming true. Oh, thank you guys for supporting. Take care and wish you an amazing day. See you next time, guys. I will be back.